Good evening, everyone. So our project is called as Newsify. I'm Ashwin and is my teammate Gopi. So Newsify is a fake headline and news article generator which takes in the keywords as inputs. So the user will be able to give keywords as inputs, and we will also be able to adjust the hyperparameters such as temperatures and top P. So for a keyword like Canada housing pricing, so this was the results that we got, a fake headline and an article as well. So for data collection process, we collected around 500 new article links from various RSS feeds, which were categorized based on business, sports and technologies. After that, using newspaper 3K and just text, we extract the article headlines and their respective article as well. After that, using a keyword model, we will be extracting the keywords from the extracted headlines as well.
For headline generation, we used a Google Newsify based model. This model has 220 million parameters, and this model is pre-trained using the common gen dataset, which is used for generative common sense reasoning. We fine-tune this model using our dataset in order to produce headlines rather than simple statements. The input to this model is 3 keywords and the output will be a headline. The following hyperparameter setting is used: the batch size of 2 and 15 epochs and the learning rate of 5 into 10 power minus 5. For article generation, we used the pre-trained GPT-2 medium transformer model with a language modeling head. This model has 355 million parameters. For fine-tuning this model, we used both headline and article as input, and this is separated using both the headline and the article is separated using a separator token. When a headline is given as input to the model, it tries to predict the next word and it goes on until it reaches the maximum length specified. Using this capability, we were able to generate the fake articles, and this is the hyperparameter setting that we used. For quantitative results, we used the manual labeling approach. So we had 119 keywords in our test dataset, for which we created both headlines as well as the articles. After this, we used this decision tree structure to manually label the generated outputs. So first, what we checked was contextual correctness, checking if the context provided by the headline is also present in the article. If so, if it is an acceptable one, it goes to that branch. If it is average, to this. Then we check the grammatical rightness of the generated output. After that, we checked if words are being repeated very often or not, and based on this, we rank the outputs. So if output has a rank of 3 or above, it is considered as a good result, and if it has a rank of less than 3, it is considered as a bad result. For us, we got around 57 good results out of the 119 records, so we got an accuracy of about 47.8%. These are the training loss curves for both the models.
When it comes to qualitative results, here we are given a good result and a poor result from a test set we used. In case of good result, the headline is pretty clear and it makes sense, and the article is also well structured around the headline and the given keywords as well. When you take the poor result, we can see like the headline doesn't make good sense at all. Also, the articles just as it's totally different from the given inputs and the generated headline as well. So one of the main learnings we found was if we give the keywords as either names or numbers, in that case the model generally fails. This can be improved by either incorporating more samples or using a larger model with even higher parameters as well. The other thing is manual labeling can be biased, so maybe in the future we can use a classification model to evaluate our results as well. Thank you.